Okay, we're on. Okay, so this bird made a nest in my flower basket. And she's out there making sounds. This is the hallway. And so there's not really any place to put, safe place for the nest. I'm afraid to move it. But here it is. It's right here. And let's see here. There's 4 eggs in there. 4 speckled eggs. It's a little tiny sparrow. And I think she liked my apartment, or the front of my apartment, because there's, if you can see in there, she's used my dog's fur. Loki's my German Shedder, used his hair to line her nest. I mean, she made this quickly, like overnight. It's crazy. Her and her little hubby, Mr. and Mrs. Bird. You know, my last name used to be Bird. This is weird. Okay, we're done.